welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Yeah, Vlogmas Day 1. So it's not yet December. It is actually November 14th. But today I'm gonna be starting my Vlogmas intro. I've already I think I've put together my music from about October before November starts. But today we're gonna start filming my intro. So I'm happy for you guys to see this. So I'll be showing you guys everything I do, and then at the end we're gonna have our Vlogmas reveal. So just wanna tell you guys how I'm gonna be doing my Vlogmas. So basically I'll be doing vlogs from day 1 of December straight back to the 30th. And guys, my Vlogmas almost always different from everybody else because I like to vlog. So my Vlogmas will be going up to the final day of December, from the 1st to the final day of December. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. So I already have on my costume. So this is the first costume for me. I have on this red top. I have on my dare ears. Don't mind, this is what's keeping the hair together. On a black and white shorts and some white slippers. So right now my sister is gonna be doing the filming for me. So yeah, Shad, I'm ready. Alright guys, so first round of my video, the first part of my video, of my intro is done. Now I have to look for my wreath. This is gonna be hard because decorations are here. So I need to find it because I'm gonna also have to do the tree for the Vlogmas. Just for the Vlogmas, people, just for the Vlogmas. Shan, do you remember where the wreath was? This is my wreath I made last year. I'm just gonna fix it up for this year, but not right now. So just gonna put it on the door the way it is at the moment. So this is it. Let's go do that. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna be putting this. Yeah, there. And then we're gonna close the door. Basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna close the door and then she knocks and I open. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be decorating the tree and then to this little couch there so we can finish the rest of it. So I'm gonna set you guys here.
Did you try your butter stuff before? You're not trying. You're not trying.
Anyways, guys, you know what? I just left it so. I don't need Tonian though. I need Tonian.
Put on the tree and don't try. I know it's from last year. She's stupid.
Oh my god, is that the
stupid.
second one that goes on?
Stupid.
Let me look at it from outside and see how it looks. Cause if it not look bad, we're not gonna take it down. It don't look bad. I'm not gonna take it down. Alright guys, so I just finished filming the room part. And now I'm gonna be doing over this part and to like decorate the tree in there. and then we'll put everything together, and then you guys will see the intro. So let's have that. Alright guys, I am finally finished with filming. So right now all that's left is just to clean up the aftermath of everything, which I already started, and then to editing, which is gonna be quite a bit of work. So that's where all the work comes in. And then we're done, but you guys will not be seeing that. So let us just, without further ado, reveal the intro.
It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? Welcome to this Christmas. Yes, it goes.
I know y'all like it, but yeah, let me know down in the comments down below what you guys thought. I'm super excited to see this. It is going to be so much fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys. Bye.